guys, I'm Jonathan Smith. I'm the assistant principal of curriculum at Paducah Tilghman High School. I'm also the head football coach. Here with me, we've got
DeRoyce Fleming,
Damian Ford.
So we've got some great guys. So guys, tell me what makes Tilghman so special.
The tradition, the pride, a lot of stuff, sports, academics.
I just love the environment. It's so friendly. Like, everybody's here for one another. The sports, it's just one big family. The academics, they really care, and just the community, they try to help. So I mean, can't ask for more in a high school.
So we got a lot of stuff going on today. You know, talk to me about where it is we're getting ready to head and why that's such an important time for all of the students at Tilghman.
Man, registration, senior year.
Hopefully I didn't screw the schedule up too bad. Now, here's what I know. I know you can run, but can you dance?
No.
If I turn the music up, can you show me some of your moves?
Oh, most definitely.
Let's go then.
Show me what you got.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse uptown road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse uptown road. Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in my bag.
Hey guys, let me ask a question.
What's up, coach?
Should we crash registration and show them what the wow factor is really about?
I think so.
I think we need to pull up and crash the party. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
I ask you some questions.
I'm going to give you some ice cream. You have to tell us what makes Tilghman such a special place.
Oh yeah, I think it's Damian. Look at him.
Registration is such an important time of the year. Why is it so important to you, especially coming into your senior year?
It just gets me prepared for the year and know what I'm going to be dealing with.
Do you think you have the classes you need to be prepared to go on to college?
Most certainly.
Absolutely. Now we have with us long-time Tilghman parent and employee Angie Shane. Do you think we have the wow?
Oh, we definitely have the wow factor.
It's the main man, the guy in charge of every locker here at Tilghman. Coach, would you like some ice cream?
I'll take one. Thank you. Appreciate
This
it.
guy right here, FYI students, the most important person at registration today. He controls your locker. Would this be a real partner if we didn't go pick up our guy in time?
Nope. No.
We gotta go pick up our guy in time. So, we've talked a little bit about Anton, but introduce yourself so everybody can know who you are.
Anton Jones. you know.
Told you, he's got the wow factor.
Gotta do no tools. I'm a minute, second with me, trying to sneak me through they door.
Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go? I think y'all ready. You ready? Y'all ready? Come on, let's turn it up. I'm ready. You ready? Ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready.